What's up, dancers? Welcome to tutorial for Finesse Remix with Bruno Mars and Cardi B. Oh, let's get started. Next we go to the side. We go right, left, snake to the right, punch left arm, side. Now we have little hops in place. Just hop, 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 hop with the hips. The arms going out, cross, together it goes pa, pa, ta, ta. Back to left. Left, right, snake left, punch right arm, side. Same thing again with the hips, arms open, close, 2 times through with that. Then we go, and 1, and the arms go, and 1, hold, 2, 3, 4, cross, and 5, 6, 7, 8, like, hey, right there. Then we dust the shoulder, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's see all that facing the front. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, next section we join in with Bruno Mars. We have a nice little slide to the side. We go slide, and then we start off the hands up, up. Slide back, slide, up, up. We pop out, pop, shoulder, pop, shoulder, pop, shoulder, pop, shoulder. So we're jumping off the ground, moving just slightly to the side, both feet, both feet. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That part facing the front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, again, slide, bounce and serve, slide, bounce and arm out, shoulder, pop, pop, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, next part of this section, we're gonna add some old school 90s moves. First one is the running man. Now, we see this a lot, the running man. That's a new wave one, that is not what we're doing. We're going old school 90s. Now with that, we just wanna replace the foot. It goes down, knee, down. The arms are just pumping right in front of you. There's different versions that do it, but this one we're going to pump it right in front of us. So start to the side. The knee comes up and replaces down. That's the down knee. Down, 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 down. So we're starting that right foot down. So we're jumping down and we're sliding down. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're bringing the Roger Rabbit. This one replaces back. Replace, replace. 2 times double, double. Replace, replace, double, double. And there's lots of arms you do the Roger Rabbit. We're gonna take the elbows forward. This one feels super fun to me. Old school. Ta, 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 ba, ba, ta, ta, ta. Remember, it replaces, double, double, replace, replace, double, double. Face the front, running man into the Roger Rabbit. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Next we're going to take it up. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Cabbage patch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hop. 5, 6, 7. Jump out. 8 as we take it back. 5, 6, 7, 8. Showing the front, we're used to the Roger Rabbit, and we pick it up. 1, 2, double, ta, ta, double. Cabbage patch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Let's see that whole section facing the front. We slide. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again. Slide. Serve it. Slide. Serve it. Out. 2, 3, 4, 5. Here comes that running man. We go down to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Roger rabbit, single, single, double, single, single, double, to the mirror. Ha, 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 ha. Grab a touch. 2 times, take it back. 5, 6, 7, out 8. All right, y'all, now it's time for the chorus, Drip It in Finesse. This one is the butterfly. Some people call it the Tootsie Roll. I like the butterfly. It goes knees and toes in, out, and the hands are just going to cross, open, cross, open. Ta, ta, ta. You can see there's a little butt action to this too. Ta, ta, ta. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4. We make fists. We do 2, push it real good. 5, 6, 7, 8. And we take the right hand, right knee, 1 butterfly, left side, 1 butterfly, and we're going to do 3 hops with the right knee up, 3 hops with the left knee up. It goes hop, 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 hop. And on those, we're going to turn hop, 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 hop. Now you don't have to get all the way around. If you do, hop, 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 you'll feel all the way back. Hop, hop, hop. Just make sure that you're in facing the front. So if you only get a quarter of the way, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That's okay. We're going to put those together. It goes butterfly, butterfly, push it, push it. Right, left, hop, 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 hop. And the arms just up here like this. Ta, 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 ta. Great. Next step is the kid and play. It looks like a Charleston step. Right, we do this Charleston step. Just a little cooler. 2, 3, 4, 5, heel 6, 7, 8. If you want to do this with someone in class, a friend, you can do it to them, facing each other. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hit feet, 6, 7, 8. And we're going to go with that dust off again, and we're going to take it around in a circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, 1, 2, hit and play. 5, hit, 6, 7, 8. Other direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have a little down as the knee comes up and we dust it off. Let's do that face in the front. We go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, last section. We have this little push down. We go push, push, double, push. That one crosses to open out, 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 out. Other side. Single, single, double, up, cross, out, 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 out. So it's a single, single, double. But instead of on the double putting it down, we're going to get ready for that next move. Just cross, open, 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 open. Cross the body, push the hands. Fist, fist, double, and out, and out, and out, and out. Let's see it facing the front. We go. Got it going on, got it going on. Out, out, out. Other side, left, right, double, and cross, 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 cross. Single, single, double, and out, 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 out. Single, single, double, and out, 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 out. That's all the choreography. Let's dance it.